Putting up the raffle ticket bag. Just gonna stick it in front. And then this baby is going to be raffle off. I think I want something to kind of like pop him out a bit. My teacup. Okay. Setting up our POS.
Mom, can you buy me a coaster too? No, no. But I need to complete the whole set. Look, look at how good that looks. Okay. You're paying me back for everything. Yeah.
Hi, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to do card or Venmo, Apple Pay? Venmo. Okay, let me do the math on this.
Do you guys have straws for these?
Yes, I do. I got you.
Because I always buy the ones with the bamboo lids, and then the lids get like
Molded
wet
really
and
quickly,
mold.
right? Yeah.
So then I can use this lid on my other glass cups too.
Yes. If you already got the one with the bamboo lid, this one should fit. Yeah.
If Zach uses this, I'm gonna get
Okay, here's the total. I'm gonna wrap that up for you. Safe travel.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, we can go home now.
Yeah, uh-huh.
I feel like if I'm here any longer, I'm gonna spend all my money.
Uh-huh. All right, it should be there.
Okay. Yeah, I think that should be you. Yeah. All right. Oh, let me see. A little freebie for you.
Thank you. Are the cups dishwasher safe or no?
You should hand wash it. It will always be better. It's much easier. Dries super quick too. Yeah. The girl, she really know what she wants. She walked in and she just picked out everything. And the show just started 8 minutes. We made our first sale.
Your bag fell.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I don't think that's a good tape for it, huh?
No, usually you just gotta rub it in.
All right, thank you. You guys like my shirt? Excuse me, thank you. Oh. It's just actually raining outside. I didn't even like think about checking the weather until like this morning because it just I think I was just thinking like, oh, since it's indoors, it shouldn't be matter much, but honestly, it's still weather. It still matter the weather affecting like if the customer really want to go out or not. I mean, it is nice that we're indoors, so there we don't have to like windproof or waterproof anything. It's really nice. I think we're starting to get a bit busier, just like more foot traffic inside. Hi.
Your little book stuff is adorable.
Thank you.
I'm obsessed. I wish my book club girlies were with me right now.
Oh, you have a book club.
I'm in a smut book club.
Oh, I see.
Like this is yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh my gosh, if you're in smut, let me show you this one. This is a lot of smut people's favorite. Very judgy. Yes. Magic, yes.
And then I'm gonna do one of the treat your shelf.
Uh-huh. What size you looking for?
Any unisex?
Uh, yes.
I'll do medium.
Medium? Okay.
Yeah.
Here, let me get you medium. Medium. And this there.
Too.
Give you a little discount for the bookmarks. Just four back to you. Give me just a second. Let me pack these up for you.
Thank you.
Of course.
That way you can choose Stop. Even the packaging. Adorable.
It's like it's so aesthetically pleasing too.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so
You guys
much.
enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
I'm taking a couple of these.
You
I
guys,
for sure am.
thank you.
No,
You guys have a good one. Enjoy the weekend. Thank you. We completely sold out of the magnetic bookmark for most likely be reading smut. Yeah, because she just bought the whole whatever we have left of the stuff for her book club, which is so cute. I love it when book club like able to have matching bookmarks. That's just like such a vibe, you know. You ready? You want to do cash or card for the cow?
Cash.
Cash. Oh, let me get you your change. Here's two back. Thank you. You go. Thank you. You have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. I want to show you guys how far my coloring goes. I've been like falling in love with coloring on my iPad. I mean, since I have like paper like on my screen, it does feel like coloring on paper. But I love it because if I make a mistake, I can just hit redo and do a better version of it. Maybe that is kind of bad because losing the part of making art piece and making art piece unique, but I enjoy this very much. But enough of me having fun. I really need to like finish lining this drawing I did. I just have like a little sketch, and now I actually going to like do the lining over so it's look would like better with coloring and everything too.
Yeah, and also hungry.
Actually feeling really cold. Pop on a jacket. Hi. I am so sleepy. Pepsi. A little pop bar pick me up. I don't love to drink pop all this time. I don't love carbonate drink. I think the only carbonate drink I'm okay with is Sprite. I actually enjoy drinking. But on market days, sometime after lunch, I do a little pop to help like wake me up and keep me going. And the sugar will help me crash later at night. I don't love crash on sugar, but if I have another coffee or like matcha right now, I'm going to stay up until tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to stay up for like 24 hours and have caffeine drink too late. Okay, it will just be 15 flat, yeah. Thank you. You want me to pack the frog up for you? You want to hold the frog? Okay. Here you go, and a freebie for you. There's some stickers in there. Thank you. Yay, mom got like a whole wagon in, so we literally have everything to work with. Hello everyone, I am home right off the bat as soon as I get to the venue. Since the venue is like 20 minutes away from me, I don't get the chance to actually go to the venue beforehand or even like go to their markets beforehand before I decide to do a show with them. But I have a very good reason why I decide to do it. And from my judgment, from what I see flyer wise and their advertisement and all of that, I knew from the get go, like from the very, very beginning, that this is not exactly my demographic that I'm looking for. Like, I've seen that, I understand that. But I still decided to give it a chance and do the market. And we still make sales. It's not like we made zero sales. There definitely was like foot traffic in there. You guys probably can hear a lot in the background in my like earlier footage. There were foot traffic. It's just that the demographic is not ours. So therefore, we weren't able to make as many sales as we usually do. And just as a vendor who doing market, after doing it for a while, you understand you have that specific, your perfect customer, like your target audience. As soon as you be able to identify that, you will be a lot better at picking events that worked out better for you. But even with all of that, even with all of my experience, like I knew, I knew this not gonna be like a crazy popping market like how it was for me at the last market. I knew that. Just to say that this is also a reality of doing craft show, that you will have good day and you will have bad day. It doesn't matter how experienced you are in doing show, how good you are at picking show that would work for you. I say would here because there's no guarantee. It's not an absolute answer 100% it will work for you. It's very much so up to luck, up to the weather, up to the kind of customer that decide to go out, because like your perfect customer, your demographic could have like get to know about the event like a couple days later after the event is over. So there's so many factors into what would give you a successful market experience. I would like all of you who consider doing market, or if you already market, to keep this in mind so that you don't beat yourself up and don't feel discouraged of doing this. This is something that we knowing, and this is the bet that we're gonna place when we walk down this path. This market didn't go the way that I hope in terms of sales. We made a total of 3 sales, so it's definitely is one of the slower day. And I'll be honest, in the moment it's hard not to feel a little discouraged. But the thing is, I knew going in that this would not be a high sales event for me. The crowd here isn't my ideal customer. They are not necessarily the folks who were looking for crochet plushies or my other bookish, cozy handmade items. And you know what? That's okay. Because this time I show up with a totally different goal in mind. I wanted to meet the people who's hosting the show. I've been curious about how they're running things, how they interact with vendors, what kind of energy do they bring, how they build the community. Long story short, they planning to open a consignment store. I've been trying to figure out if I want to be a part of that, like how big, how involved I want to be a part of that, to be more correct. Because I'm down to try things, I'm down to try new things, but I want to know how much involved I would like to be. So for me, this market is part research, part relationship building, and part intuition check. I wanted to see what would it feel like to work with them, not just today, but potentially for more like ongoing basis. So today I paid extra attention to how they handle the logistics, how they supported other vendors, how they communicated, and especially how they treat the people who usually vend with them, who's been like come back and vend with them regularly. And that told me a lot. And even though today my sales were quiet, I left with something way more valuable. clarity. I wanted to share this with you, especially if you are fellow makers who are also do craft show and pops up and market, because I know how easy it is to measure the success of your market by how much money you made. And trust me, I get it. We invest so much time and energy into preparing for these events. Like making the products is one thing, but develop, because some events they have like theme, and then we'll actually spend extra time on making that's one category of like theme or seasonal item alongside with our like usual product. All of this, it can take a toll both physically and mentally. So when the return doesn't meet your expectation, it can feel like a punch to the gut. But not everyone is financial. Not every opportunity shows up in your sales total. Sometimes the win is quiet. It's behind the scenes. It's getting to talk to someone new. It's learning something about your audience. It's realizing something important about yourself. And here's the truth I am holding on to today. Not everyone is your customer, and that is not a bad thing. It just means that alignment wasn't there today. But that doesn't mean that your products aren't valuable or that you fail. It just means that this crowd at this very moment isn't your people. Your ideal customer, the one who lights up when they see what you've made, who's get your style, your brand story, your heart, they're all still out there. So in the meantime, every market is a chance for us to show up, to be visible, to plant seeds, to build your presence, to grow, even if it's a quiet growth. I'm still proud of myself for going, proud of my booth, my setup, all the plushies I spent time on crocheting, even though my arm was hurting and some moment I felt like giving up and not doing anything, but I still did all of it in the prepare for this market. Also proud that I took a chance, even knowing it might not be a sales heavy day, because I was showing up with intentions and curiosity, and that is a win in my book. So if you're watching this and you've ever left a market feeling like you weren't good enough or that your work didn't matter because the sales weren't there, please know this, you're not alone. We all have those days. Even the most seasoned makers do. You are doing something brave just by showing up with your heart in your hands and your work on a display. Keep going, keep showing up, keep creating cozy magic. The right people for you will find you. And your effort, your art, your passion, they all matters. All right. That's my little heart chat for today. Thank you for letting me share this moment with you. The quiet, the not so perfect part of being the small business owner. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.